Howdy, stranger. It's nice to see you round these here parts. Come with us to feed the cows and horses. But first, a quick pit stop for some dessert. Everyone's all lined up, getting ready to chow down on some good greens. Rex is ready to help like always. He's such a good boy. Rex says supper's ready. Dig in, guys. That looks really good. How is it? Yellow horse approved. What's up, Bill? You're on the wrong side. Bob, we'll eat your food, Bill. You know that, right? Ooh, there's your dessert. Fresh picked grapefruit. Yum. See you later.